Want to get up there?
Is that cool?
Look, he's getting up there.
Watch me. Get ready,
Go
y'all.
with this.
Get ready, y'all.
Hey, he pretty much hangs out right here.
No, it's always different. They'll swim around. They'll swim around quite a bit. You know, what makes them move often is you got bigger ones in here. And the bigger you are, the more territory you got.
He's smiling.
Yeah, they're always happy.
He's smiling.
They always eat their happy pills. That's right. You know, you look at the alligator's jaw. One of the difference between the alligator and the crocodile is the upper jaw on the alligator overrides the lower. So all you see is the top teeth pointing down. You see none of the lower teeth on the gator. See how they're closed? All you see is the top teeth pointing down. Crocodile, you see both sets.
Watch me. Climb up there and get it.
There you go.